Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing some slime. I know I'm new and this is my first video of going on YouTube. I have 2 pixel arts, yeah. And today, I hope you give a like and subscribe and go home. So today we're going to be doing some slime. I'm going to show you my green slime, and it's a red sticky, so I have to make it with you guys. So literally it's going to be maybe hard, so I have my slime, and then I'm going to open it up and show you guys. It's really sticky. And there's like these tiny pieces in it, so yeah. So I thought I would have made it better, but there's tiny pieces in it, so like literally there's just slime. Ooh. So my mom said nothing. Yeah. So this slime is really cold because because never mind. Bye guys, this was a short video. And subscribe, which I know I would probably send you guys for some surprises, so I will show you. So wait 1 minute. So have tons of surprises, guys. So we have this for Sweetheart, and it's body lotion inspired Victoria's Secret pink all my heart. And then here's another surprise, and one of my students can come. Another surprise, you guys would love it. Archie the blue panda. I never opened him yet, and I thought, yeah, so maybe like that. Then I thought maybe you guys could have emoji. Yeah, so the emoji, yeah, so cool. And the unis, I will send a pack, I promise, and I will send this part. So yeah, and then I have, if any of you boys are watching, yeah. And I have a girl one, I just don't know where it is because it's a big house here. Then there's a pack of tattoos. There's all these. And then what I was thinking is to give you guys a cat costume of a ghost, which you'll probably see the face. Let me flatten it down. So this is where the head goes. Is it so cute? So yeah, guys, So today, I was wondering if you guys would love all these surprises, and this is my first video, so yeah, and makeup set too, and art set. So mostly that big dollhouse. It's for I haven't think about it, but I would tell you, and I will think about it. I thought about it and told my mom and said, yes, I would do it for $110 on YouTube. So please subscribe, Natnogohome, and give a thumbs up. But if you do thumbs down, wah, 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 wah. And I'm also saying, yeah, wee, yeah.